amazing that Parramatta's doing its own thing, being a part of the Sydney Festival, just because like it is part of our hood.
We live about 2k down the road, so it's very easy and local to get in.
We're festival virgins. Can I say that on camera? Now we're going to see what happens and go with the flow.
I like the atmosphere. It's more family oriented.
Parramatta is a happening place, so we are enjoying it, having a lot of fun.
The music's been good.
Yeah, Holly Frosty, it was really good.
It's incredible, a lot of people here from many countries like me. I am from Chile.
Yeah, different cultures and different music.
I'm actually marshalling over as the World Tick stage, so I'm looking forward to seeing that.
Lots of fun. Very nice festival.